Have you ever felt that pang of guilt as you throw away stale bread? After all, it was once a delicious loaf, freshly baked and fragrant, that promised mouth-watering sandwiches and breakfast delights. Now, hard and unappetizing, it seems destined for the trash. But wait, there's a world of culinary magic waiting to be discovered with that forgotten slice. From appetizers to desserts, leftover bread can be your secret weapon in the kitchen. Here's why. 1. Croutons and breadcrumbs. Start simple. Skewer bread into small cubes, toss them in olive oil, garlic and herbs, and bake until crisp. Voila! Homemade croutons for your soups and salads. Or pulverize them in a blender to make breadcrumbs, which can be used for breading fillings or as a crispy topping for casseroles. 2. Bread pudding. This dessert has humbler origins than you'd think. Designed to make use of stale bread, this dish combines old slices with a custard of milk, eggs, and sugar. Add in fruits, chocolate, or nuts, and you have a comforting dessert that's rich and satisfying. 3. French toast. Give that hard bread a new lease on life by soaking it in a mixture of beaten eggs, milk, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Fry it to a golden brown hue and serve with maple syrup for a breakfast treat. 4. Rabita and pantanella. These traditional Italian dishes are a testimony to the genius of Mediterranean cooking. Rabita, a Tuscan soup, uses old bread to thicken and enhance its hearty vegetable broth. Pantanella, on the other hand, is a vibrant salad where chunks of stale bread soak up a delightful dressing of tomatoes, onions, and basil. 5. Bread souffle. Elevate your breakfast game by layering slices of stale bread with cheese, vegetables, and a creamy mixture of eggs and milk. Bake until it puffs up and turns a delicate golden brown. It's a dish that impresses yet comes together in a snap. 6. Bread bowls. Why serve soup in a bowl when you can serve it in bread? Hollow out your older, harder loaves and pour in your favorite soups or dips. The insides soften, adding a delectable layer of flavor to every spoonful. Why it matters in a world where food wastage is a growing concern. Finding creative ways to use up leftovers is more than just a culinary endeavor. It's a responsibility. Roughly 1/3 of the food produced in the world for human consumption gets lost or wasted every year. By using every slice of bread to its fullest potential, you're not only treating your taste buds but also playing a part in reducing waste and conserving resources. So next time you find yourself staring at a loaf of bread that's seen better days, remember, its potential isn't lost. Whether it's turning into a savory treat or a sweet indulgence, that stale bread is just waiting for its end core. So before you think of throwing it away, consider the plethora of dishes waiting to be created. It's a journey of flavors, textures, and sustainability, all starting with a humble slice.